Want a quick way to send those important Telegram messages straight to WhatsApp? Maybe you're switching chats between friends, or you need to forward work info where it'll get seen faster. In today's video, I'm sharing the simplest, and right now the only real method for moving any Telegram message right over to WhatsApp. If you stick with me for these next few minutes, you'll know exactly how to transfer messages smoothly so nobody misses a thing. Let's get straight into it. First, I want to be clear, there's no official tool or magic button that sends your messages from Telegram to WhatsApp automatically. You might have guessed it, but the only reliable way is good old manual copy and paste. It sounds simple, but a few small tricks will make sure you get it right every time, especially if you want to transfer multiple messages or keep the formatting neat. Here how it works. You start by launching Telegram and finding the message you want to move. If you've got a long chat, I suggest scrolling slowly until you see the exact message or section you want. Maybe it's an address, a password, or a funny meme you're passing on. To copy the message, just long press directly on it with your finger. You'll see a menu pop up and here you want to tap Copy. Quick tip, if you've got multiple messages to send, you can repeat this process one at a time or select several if your Telegram version lets you. Some phones even offer a multi-select feature. Once you've got your message copied, it's time to hop over to WhatsApp. If you're multitasking, don't worry, you can minimize Telegram or close it, either way works. Open WhatsApp and head straight to the chat where you want the message to appear. This could be a group conversation, a family member, or even your own saved chat for easy reference. Now, here's a little detail that can trip people up. In WhatsApp, tap into the message field so your keyboard pops up, then long press inside that field. You'll see a menu with Paste, select that, and your Telegram message will appear ready to go. If anything looks odd or you copied a link, double-check for extra spaces or broken lines. Sometimes what looks fine in Telegram appears differently in WhatsApp, so this is your chance for a quick edit before sending. When you're happy with how it looks, just tap the Send button, that little paper airplane at the bottom right. And just like that, you've transferred your message from Telegram to WhatsApp. It's simple, but let me reassure you. If the message is extra long, don't worry if it takes a second for the paste to work. Sometimes with big chunks of text, your phone might lag for a moment, but it always comes through. This method works whether you're on Android, iPhone, tablet, or even desktop. Just remember, manual copy-paste is the universal way for now. Real-world scenario. Maybe you're helping a friend who isn't on Telegram, or you're juggling work chats across both platforms. You're giving them the info they need, right where they'll actually see it. And that's all there is to it. Copy on Telegram, switch to WhatsApp, paste in the chat, and hit send. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you've got other questions about getting your apps to cooperate, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll keep you updated on the simplest ways to stay connected. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.